How to record a voiceover in DaVinci Resolve 20. If you want to record your voice directly inside DaVinci Resolve, this tutorial will walk you through the process. First, open DaVinci Resolve 20 and open your project. Next, go to the Edit page. Make sure your microphone is connected and working. Now, right-click in the track header area of the timeline and choose Add Track. Then select Mono Audio Track if you don't already have one. Next, click the VoiceOver button in the toolbar above the timeline. If you don't see it, click the three-dot menu and enable the VoiceOver tool. In the VoiceOver panel, select your microphone as the input device and choose the audio track where you want to record. Click the Record button and start speaking into your microphone. When you're finished, click Stop. Your voice recording will automatically appear on the selected audio track in the timeline. Press the spacebar to play it back and make sure everything sounds good. So it's really as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments. Make sure to like the video and subscribe for more DaVinci Resolve tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.